Good day, Madam Sir. My name is Michelle Teresa, 37 years old. I am married with 2 children. I am a college level. I work as a helper in the Philippines for 4 years, since 2017 until 2021. I serve the 2 children, ages of 5 years old and 10, and the eldest was 65 years old. My main duties are cleaning the house, doing house chores, and taking care of the children. I am trustworthy, reliable, and you can trust me in the things that I've been able to do. I can do also a multitasking. Sir, Madam, if you happen to choose me, I will make sure that I can provide a good quality service to provide to your family as well. Thank you, Madam, Sir.